Ever wondered how to harvest and dry herbs at home? It's an engaging process that promises freshness far beyond store-bought options, and it's also a great way to save some money. In this video, you'll learn the simple steps to harvest and dry your own herbs. Knowing when and how to harvest your herbs is crucial for optimum flavor. The best time to harvest is in the morning, after the dew has dried but before the sun gets too hot. This is when the oils in the herbs, responsible for their aroma and flavor, are at their peak. To harvest, cut the herbs above the leaf sets. This encourages the plant to produce more. Remember to only take about a third of the plant to ensure it continues to thrive. Now that you have successfully harvested your herbs, it's time to dry them. Drying herbs is a straightforward process, but it does require some patience. Let's explore the two main methods, air drying and oven drying. Air drying is simple and economical. It involves hanging bundles of herbs in a dry, well-ventilated area. This method maintains the herb's essential oils, ensuring rich flavor. However, it can take up to 2 weeks. On the other hand, oven drying is quicker, taking just a few hours. You'll need to set your oven to a low temperature, ideally no more than 180 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid burning the herbs. While it saves time, the heat can diminish the herb's flavor. So choose wisely based on your needs. With these steps, you can enjoy homegrown dried herbs all year round. Harvesting and drying herbs at home is a rewarding process. From the satisfaction of picking your own fresh herbs to the process of drying them at the perfect time, you're not only honing a valuable skill, but also reaping the benefits of homegrown produce. The aroma and flavor of these dried herbs are unmatched, enhancing your culinary experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.